My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. Excuse me, that was very rude. Tell me how you really feel. Today's video is going to be my monthly favorites for the month of August. I didn't do a favorites video last month, and usually if I skip a month I have double the amount of products, but I actually don't have that many this month. And I know I say that in every favorites video and then I end up having like a shit ton of products, but like really this time I don't have that much, so hopefully this won't be a very long video. So if you would like to see what I've been loving for the past couple of months, then keep on watching, and if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, or else I'll sick my cat on you. Just kidding. Okay, where to begin? I usually begin with skincare, so it seems like a reasonable place to start. The first product I want to talk about is this Tula Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. So I get severe dark circles under my eyes, the cost of working night shift, and I have a whole routine of like color correcting them, and this is the first step. This has been what I've been starting with since I've gotten it the past couple months. And you know, most of the time, like you know, I see these like, oh, it's a brightening eye cream or brightening eye balm, but they don't really brighten. This, I can tell you, you can see a significant difference. I actually filmed a video about how I color correct and get rid of my dark circles, and so you'll be able to see just how well this works. It'll probably be up this weekend, but yeah, I got this in BoxyCharm. Really been loving it. Next is another BoxyCharm special, this Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. Does not look good. Well, not to me. I'm not a big fan of avocado, but it is so creamy. It's so just like luxe, and love the fact that it has retinol in it. And I just think that my skin looks a lot better in the morning after I've used that. I don't know what else I can say about it. It's super hydrating, and yeah, Glow Recipe has some really good products. Speaking of, actually, my next product is also from Glow Recipe. This is the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm, Makeup Melting Soothing. So this just recently came out, and I am all about makeup removing balms. The two that I have been using are the Pharmacy like Green Clean Balm and the Drunk Elephant like Slay Butter something. Anyways, so as soon as I saw that Glow Recipe was coming out with a balm, I was like, I need to try this, and I've really been liking it. It honestly does look like papaya sorbet. I mean, I don't think I've ever had it, but I can imagine that this is what it would look like. And it kind of does smell like papaya too. But I actually did a review on this, and I feel that this does a better job of taking off my makeup, especially my mascara. And another thing that I really like about it is when I use the other balms, I will always have to go in like afterwards with a light cleanser, just because I feel like there's a little bit of residue left, and I don't know, it just doesn't feel completely clean. Like, it removes my makeup, but I don't feel like completely clean. This removes my makeup, but I don't feel that, I don't know, that it actually feels clean, and it doesn't feel like I have any sort of residue left over from it. And sometimes I'll still go in with a cleanser afterwards, but I really don't need to. And I think that's awesome because the other two, I definitely have to go in and double cleanse. Alright, next I have these Music2makeup Kush Lip Balms. And I have one in Canatonic and Bubble. Now, these are super moisturizing. I'm not saying they're the most moisturizing lip balms I've ever used. I'm still like a ride or die for my Glam Glow Pout Mud moisturizers. But I like that they have them in different colors. So you can moisturize and still have, you know, like a slight color. If you're going for something natural, or they're just actually really, really nice. And when I say that they're not the most moisturizing, they are still super moisturizing, much more than the majority of lip balms I've tried. I'm just saying they're not like the most moisturizing I've ever used. But yeah, it's a very sheer color, but rude. I mean, the caller ID says scam. Like, why? I'm not going to answer it. Anyways, yes. Oh, I do have one hair care item. Alright, it is this, I don't really know how to say it, or I think that's how you say it. Apres Beach Wave and Shine Spray. So, you can put this on your hair either wet or dry, and I've been putting it on when it's wet and letting it air dry, and it just gives my hair the most beautiful, like, natural beachy waves that aren't crunchy, and it also adds some volume. Now, this is actually the first product that I've bought, like, full size from them, because they're so expensive. I've gotten a lot of samples in subscription boxes, but I've never, you know, bought a full-size one before. But I found this on Amazon for $22, and it's originally like $44. So I was like, I mean, I have no choice, right? I have to buy it if it's half off. And I have been loving it. So I did talk about one of these in, I think, my June favorites. These Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pots. I had got Wild at Heart, but I've been loving them so much I got another one in Paradise Found. And these are loose pigments, but they are honestly like the most pigmented pigments I've ever used. I just spilled that all over. I have Wild at Heart on my eyes right now. So here is Paradise Found. And just in case you haven't seen my June favorites, I'll also show you Wild at Heart. Like, look at that. I mean, how gorgeous is that? They are amazing. Alright, next is this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin High Coverage Multi-Use Concealer 24 Hour. Ooh! This bitch is full coverage, but it's also like very hydrating and super easy to blend, and it's not heavy at all. I think the shades might run a little light. I got this in 2.1, but I usually just have to go with the lightest color when it comes to concealers, because obviously I'm not the most tan person in the world. But let me see. So it was $27. Okay, yeah, 2.1 is the latest shade, and it's for very fair skin with neutral undertones. So I probably could have gone for a 2.2 Yellow Alabaster, but I mean, I'm wearing it now, and with the rest of my makeup on, I don't think, you know, it looks ridiculous, and I really do want my under eyes brightened, so hey, there you go, right? It comes in 22 shades. That's actually pretty good for a concealer. And like I said, it is so full coverage. It has 443 reviews and 4.5 out of 5 stars. So yeah, I'm absolutely blown away by this concealer. It's very concentrated, so a little goes a long way. And it is thick enough that it stays exactly where you put it. No settling into my fine lines or fading through the day. True. Yeah, and a little does go a long way. Next is I ordered a few things from JD Glow Cosmetics for the first time. Well, I actually just got my second order in, but one of the products I got was this eyeliner. What's it called? It doesn't say, but it's in pastel neon green. I did a tutorial using this. I'll link it up here, and it came out so awesome. This is such an amazing eyeliner. Not only do they have like the coolest colors, but it is like so opaque. It went over my eyeshadow like with no problem. Sometimes liners like these, they don't go on that well over certain shadows, but this went on beautifully and it lasted so long. And they have like really awesome neon colors, they have regular colors, but I really like it. And my next product is also from JD Glow Cosmetics, and it is this eyeshadow in Bora Bora. And it says it's from the Galaxy Collection shadow. And I actually use this in the same look, but oh my gosh, they're so gorgeous. It's like a bluish green duochrome. And I love how big the pan sizes are. I mean, if you can see compared to like my other shadows. Next is, I don't think I've included this in a favorites video before. I could be wrong, but I'm thinking not, because I usually have so many products as it is, and I was like, oh, you know, it's just a black liquid liner, like I don't really need to include it. But I mean, this is an amazing eyeliner. This is the Benefit Roller Lash eyeliner. I love the Roller Lash mascara, and this, it's just like the perfect liquid black eyeliner. And trust me, I've tried about 7,000 of them because that's how many I've received in subscription boxes. So if I'm raving about a black eyeliner, that means it's good. It's just so black and it just glides on so smoothly, and the application is just so easy. Really like this. I have a couple Artist Couture highlighters that I've been obsessed with. So what I'm wearing today is Double Take, and here, it's kind of like a pinkish silver. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. It's stunning though. And then also Supernova, and this is like some purple in there, some blue, some silver, very galactic like. Oh, so gorgeous. Alright, let me stay on the highlighter theme. And the next, oh my God, I don't think I've loved a highlighter this much in a long time. This is the Jouer All Over Face and Body Highlighter in Molten Glow. Oh, it is a gorgeous highlighter, and I actually just did a tutorial using it as an eyeshadow, and it is absolutely stunning. And it's sad because like the camera doesn't even do it justice. And what's also really cool was it came with this little brush too. So I guess if you want to use it as a body highlighter. Oh, like look at that. I mean, I already have a little bit. I put some glow lotion on from Touch and Soul that I just got, but like, this is the most gorgeous highlighter. Oh my god, I can't stop wearing it. I'm obsessed. Just want to bathe in it. Oh, okay. And then I made a palette with some Makeup Forever blushes. This formula is bomb. Like, I absolutely adore it. Like, I don't like when blushes are too pigmented because then it just, you know, it goes on too heavy. And I don't like it when they're too sheer and you have to like keep building it up. And this is just like right in the middle, Goldilocks. It's perfect. So this one is in B212. Really nice light pink. And then this one is B314. So buttery. Oh, I love this color. That's probably my favorite one. And then this is B216. I didn't have like any really hot pink blushes. So, and it wasn't like, I think it was like $35 for 3 of them plus the little case, which isn't bad if you think about it. I mean, like, Tarte blushes I think are like $28 for 1, and I got 3 for like $35, so I don't think that's bad at all. And then real quick, so I just like to show you guys some of the soaps that I've made. One of my favorite designs recently is this one. And the scent I used was Raspberry Vanilla. I felt like doing like a pastel kind of theme. And I got some, because all the guys were complaining that all the scents I have are like very feminine. So I ordered some masculine fragrance oils, and I actually found some that are like after perfumes. Like I already had, it's called Daisy Chain, but it's like a replica of Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume. That's one of my favorite scents. It's awesome in soap. But I got Aqua de Jo and then Cool Water. So the guys will stop bugging me about it. Alright guys, so those are all the products that I have for this month. If you ever have any recommendations, if you hear another YouTuber talking about a product, or if you've tried something that you really just loved, let me know down in the comments. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I need to get some sleep. I've been working, but I love you. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.